Hello everybody, Dino here. This is a response to Gabriel, firstmill.com. This is also my very first Bitcoin Cash video that I'm making. So hopefully you get some information out of it. I will be showing you guys how I made $120,000, about 170 Bitcoin Cash with a $5,000 investment using the new sidechain Smart BCH. Shout out to BCH Kid Genius as well. Gabriel is a great channel. I've been following him for a long time. He also mentors BCH Kid Genius. Great channel. You should check it out. Anyways, let's start by showing you how to get onto the Smart Bch Network. So I followed the Telegram group. There's a Telegram for Smart Bch, and some person ended up writing this amazing guide on how to get on the network. It's called build.cash/smartbch start/. And so right here, you say where to begin. To get onto the Smart Bch network, you will first need to make a Metamask. I am doing this all from my phone. So for this video, I will show you how to enter Smart Bch through your phone. First, you just go to the App Store, very easy. You search Metamask, as I had right there, Metamask. And you just download this app. And when you open the app, it will look sort of like this. Let me just go to Wallets. And it looks sort of like this. So this is my Metamask Wallets right now. I have a bunch of random coins. I have a little bit of Bitcoin Cash for the fees. This new token called CATS, ARG. We'll get to this in a second. So once you have your Metamask installed, you will have this message over here. It says, welcome to Metamask, get started. It will ask you to either import a wallet or create a new wallet. You will probably create a new wallet. You'll create a password, and then you'll secure your wallet by taking the seed phrase and writing it down. You will then back up the seed phrase, and finally, you will be on Metamask. Now, when you're on Metamask, that's when the fun part begins. You will have to add Smart Bch onto your Metamask by going to Networks and typing custom RPC. So let's do that right now. We go to Metamask. I enter right here with my fingerprints to make it easier for me. You would go here to Metamask. You go to Settings. You would go to Networks, and you would put Add Network. And all this information would look exactly like this. You would just type in Smart Bitcoin Cash. You would copy this exactly. You would use this RPC URL, smartbch.fountainhead.cash/mainnet. All you have to do is enter the RPC URL. Everything else will get filled in automatically. So only this line matters. Everything else will get filled in. Finally, you will leave the network and you will select Smart Bitcoin Cash. Up on top right here. Right here, you would normally be on the Ethereum main network. Instead of going to the Ethereum main network, you select Smart Bitcoin Cash. You just click it, and you're on Smart Bitcoin Cash. So now that you have Smart Bitcoin Cash enabled, BCH will automatically be enabled on your wallets. So you don't have to add tokens, but for the rest of these, you will have to add tokens. You just go to the bottom and you would find the token address for each coin individually, and you will add them. So I already looked up the tokens. You can just Google the tokens that you want added, and you can always find on the internet the token address, usually through a block explorer. So anyways, now that you have Smart Bitcoin Cash added onto your Metamask, we get to explore the first new decentralized exchange of Smart Bitcoin Cash, which is Benswap.cash. Benswap.cash is the first decentralized exchange on the network. And as you can see, I am harvesting right now. I'm farming and staking my EBEN. So we have the new currency of Benswap.cash is called EBEN. Right here, you can go to the trade channel and you can exchange cryptocurrencies from your wallets. So you would have money in your wallets and you would connect it to your Benswap.cash. See, mine's already connected up on the top right corner. This is the wallet address. It's already connected. And right here, you can click on your Bitcoin Cash and you can select any of these currencies and trade. So EBEN is the currency of the exchange. Currently, EBEN has gone up in price heavily. You can see at the bottom over here, it says $2.60 roughly is the price of one EBEN. When you go to the home page, you can look at all the statistics for EBEN. The market cap is currently 15,173,000. There is currently 6.5 million tokens minted, circulating supply 5,829,000, and the total value locked on Benswap right now is 40,400,000. Sorry about that. Okay, and so Bitcoin Cash is very this exchange is very new. A few days ago, so when I came onto this website, this exchange, EBEN was only at 10 cents. They were doing the pre-sale. Pre-sale, you could buy 5,000 EBEN for 1 Bitcoin Cash. So I took $5,000 and I invested it into EBEN. And since then, the price has grown from 11 cents to $2.60. And as you can see in the pools, I now have staking 42,853 EBEN. And the EBEN is being staked at an APR of 362%. So if you do the math over here and you do, 2.60, you take a calculator and you do, okay, here you go, 2.60 times 42,000, you get roughly $111,000 is what I roughly hold right now in EBEN. And apart from that, I also got a meme token because, of course, they were giving away airdrops, and they still are giving away airdrops. They gave me 1 million in cats, and I decided to buy 1 Bitcoin Cash of cats because a friend told me to get some from the Telegram group, and it is now 1 Bitcoin Cash worth of cats is actually worth 15 Bitcoin Cash worth of cats now. 15 Bitcoin Cash. I turned 1 Bitcoin Cash into 15 Bitcoin Cash. It was just a meme token. One little thing. Yesterday, I bought $12 worth of this coin called ARG. And right now, it is 0.15 Bitcoin Cash. That is over $100 from $12. I bought $12 of ARG, and it multiplied by 10x, and it is now over $100 of Bitcoin Cash. And this ARG is just from an airdrop, free money. You sign up for these new coins, they give you airdrops, and you trade it on Benswap.